I'm back on my grind. Not in the greatest mood, but my moods don't last long because I already know it be attacks coming. Because I'm already flowing and these numbers is going up. Should have been a top YouTuber in many fields. Not even just 2K. My IRL channel is going up. Make sure y'all subscribe to that. I'm going to have it as the pinned comment of this video. If you don't see it, it's going to be there. So you will see it. Not slowing down, not taking no breaks. This comes first. This or nothing. And since I have this kind of slight annoyed energy, I'm going to go even more crazy on this breakdown. And I can't give too much 2K because sometimes my natural good energy just leaks out. It just leaks out sometimes. I can't control it. Right now, we going in. So I showed you guys a video yesterday of the takeovers. If you guys did not go and watch my latest video talking about this new takeover system that 2K is finally using to balance us. It's always been here. Just like how everybody will say, when you listen to those people don't have brains. Those people don't care to even think analytically. Those people don't care. They don't have patience. They haven't learned the art of patience. Some patience is deeper. Like some people could be patient for so long. That's why energy be stronger. Like I'm one of those people. I've been patient for a while. Been patient. My mouth is just about to just start getting crazy. I'm about to just start going crazy and getting what I deserve. So we see that you pick one takeover and increases 3 attributes. I thought it was maybe 2, 3. No, you're increasing 1 because it's only giving you 3 areas. Think about it. If you look at this build right here, we go back to this screenshot. You see 3 attributes, right? You see category, right? And now look at it. What would be his 3 attributes that will go crazy, right? Either right here, playmaking. You know, sometimes he may go to do a shooting one, but it depends. If he gets that takeover, it depends, right? Then we go over here, he may have a little bit to do some finishing. All right, to boost his finishing. But more beneficial, he'll be beneficial in the playmaking. Him using a defensive takeover would be pointless, right? We all can see that. Boom. Right? Now let's go back. 2K removed so many badges. Elevate. All right, sir, you see them, right? Glass Gunner and Horse are 2 that we can see right here. Glass Gunner and Horse. Now think about this. When you're picking your takeover as a big man, you have to choose between the 2. So that shows you how they're balancing us as players now. Because your takeover is going to matter. And when you're playing the game and your takeover meter is going up, those stats that you choose for the takeover until it gets to level 5 are going up. Okay? So once you reach the level 1, let's say you had it on Glass Gunner, right? Your 3-point, your defensive rebound, your all that's going to go up by 1 point. Until you get to level 5, then your takeover activates. All right, then you get the boost. Then you get that real effect of that takeover, and you feel it on the court. But regardless, they still have that meter there, so we're playing in that new system. Like, oh, I'm on level 4. Well, I still could beat him on level 4 while he's on level 3. You know, it's still going to be that type of battle going on as well, too. Right? But you see what Glass Gunner says right here. Boost 3-point, defensive rebound, and offensive rebound. Perfect for bigs who want to grab boards and shoot from 3. So this is like a big who grabs the board. Glass Gunner, you grab it, and you pass out. And then you probably go in the corner. Boom, he throws that pass in the corner, you make the shot, boom, boom. Come on, 2K is too simple. So this new system just shows me its balance. It's nothing where it's like, oh, this is so drastically new. And that's how people will be like, oh, but the balance factor is new. Separating the 2, having people choose between 1 or the 2, that's what's new, okay? So Glass Gunner, and then we had the other one, what was it? Commander, boosts, well, this is the other one. They show a few, but you can see, look, they got unit, boosts offensive rebounds, standing dunk, close shot, idly for inside bigs who want to mash. So they have takeovers for certain things that you want to do. Me personally, y'all, I think this is going to be OD cheesy. There will be a little thing where people get to their takeover, use a certain thing, and then play a certain way. I can see it already happening. You know, unless the devs have it truly balanced out beautifully. That would be happy for me. But I'm going to lean more on the side that they don't have that in place. And we will see metas form based on this, but hopefully they make all of them matter, all of these names, because it's a lot of names. Read these names, people. It's a lot of names. Let's go through the next one. We got Chef, boost 3-point, mid-range, and ball handling. So see, I was thinking it was just fades. This improves your mid-range, 3-point, and ball handling. So 3-point 100 guards, that's what they're going to put on. Chef takeover. You see how it separates it? It's not like limitless range still. It does boost all that, and yes, you will be in that lane, but you see how it's a little bit more separated? And these takeovers, I guarantee you now, it's only boosting that area. No longer like the mathematics system when you get your takeover up, it's just boosting every stat. You know how the mathematics system was letting every stat go up, and the devs have not come out and said this yet. Mike Wayne has not come out and confirmed this yet, but OG, the ultimate analyzer, can come out here and make that. I'm like 75% sure. 75% sure that these new areas now, they're just boosting those areas single. That's it. This the single area. They're not boosting like, okay, your block will go up 2, your perimeter will go up 2 since you have takeover. No, it's just now this area. And that's a huge hit. That's a huge balance for takeover. That's a huge hit for, damn, people didn't realize how much the mathematics system was saving them before when they play good. If they would just get a steal or a block, you know, just simple things, it'll help boost your other ratings. But now it seems like 2K has cutting that off, making it more challenging for players. Because you see the breakdown, it's giving you 3 boosts in each area. Yo, they did change it. What am I talking about? I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb. There's no confirmation, but I'm not that dumb to where it's like, yo, that's the only sense it makes. It's the only sense it makes. You see what I'm saying? I like that. Boost 3-point, mid-range, and speed. Yeah, this is that. Yep, they changed this. Satellite, what is it? Yeah, they changed it. So you see how it's another different takeover that boosts 3-point still and mid-range, but will increase something else? Your speed for elite off-ball shooters. Sheesh, they went nuts. This is key for when you're making your build, people. This is key. It's not even just, oh, you get the game, you make your build, oh, I'm crazy. Go through the takeovers and see what takeovers match your build the best. This is going to be the key right here. Gifted hands, boost steal, and 3-point. Perfect for all 3 and D players. Man, they got it so breaking down. I know it's so much. They said 70 takeovers, y'all. 70. Count it. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3. No, we're not doing that. But 70 takeovers. Think of that. You're only seeing 3 right here. And I just showed you another 3. That's 6. Between and each one we get like 3 to 2 boosted. See, they had to do during D. They say, no, we're not giving you nothing else. Still in 3, we'll give you that, but nothing else. Nothing else. That's too OD. Okay. So remember this, people. You come back here. I know a lot of people is thinking they're going to be able to get 2 in each area. I've seen some of y'all in my comment section saying that. I'm reading y'all comments. Trust me, I'm reading y'all comments. There's times I'll post people's comments up in here. I see a lot of y'all talking about, yeah, I'm going here and here in this area and that area. Listen, people, I feel like it's a little bit more complex and balanced out more than we think. Look at it. For him to even get those 3 legend badges, he had to get a 98 speed with ball. I mean, a 98 ball handling and a 94 speed with ball. He has no legend anywhere else. Unless they have a lower cap for a legend. But we seeing what the caps are for legend, 94. So there's going to be that setting. Hall of Fame will be good, trust me. But there will be that setting the bar. And you see Hall of Fame is still in 92. So, man, they just cut you right there. And then it's like that next step. It's like Legends is like 2 pieces away. And it's like they make you go after it. I see it already. There's no way people are not going to just, you know. But look at this, 3 categories. I mean, 2. Yes, he could take away from something, but his build will be butt. It's going to be butt. And I think the most he will have to take from is that driving dunk that's at an 87. Y'all know how 2K caps is. Don't sit here and play with me like, oh, no, I'll just take away from my steal, or I'll take away from the, you know, it's a crucial shot. They're going to try to act like they're going to take away from a crucial stat. I'll bring my 3-pointer down a little bit, or my passing, like, come on, let's stop. We know that certain caps, 2K makes it more expensive, and I feel like he would have to take that driving dunk down, and it'll kind of deplete his build of what the devs was trying to go for with this build. And remember, small players get more attribute caps, people. So I know y'all, for this build, I'm gonna try to go legend here. I feel like legend's gonna be that you taking that risk to get it. You may be hitting certain areas, but you're gonna be dominant in that area with legend for sure. You know, I just see it. Hall of Fame stuff may work good, but when somebody has that legend above you, I feel like that's when the game's gonna change. At first, when we start off, it's gonna be regular. Yeah, of course, you have Hall of Fame, certain stuff hit. But when stuff gets to that legend level and people start to get their badges to legend, that's when you're gonna start seeing the gameplay change. Everything's gonna change. Meta's gonna start forming a little bit. People gonna realize what's stronger, what's more strong, what's not. So, you know, you have to build your build from the jump based off of what you know that you could do on a mental level. So you're not just trying to copy anybody or, you know, mess yourself up and trying to copy somebody too much. All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man, here real quick of me breaking down this takeover system a little bit more with y'all, showing y'all like it's not gonna be like, oh, I'm have legend shooting, I'm 11 have 11 here. I feel like you be picking in one area kind of when you go into that legend area. It's like one area it looks like we getting. If I want to be honest, from an honest perspective, and not just talking crazy, you know, not just trying to make it seem like, oh yeah, you're gonna have legend here and legend there. No, for me being really just analyzing, it looks like one area you'll be able to have legend in, and then maybe another area, because remember there's a perk when you have a badge. So if you have a badge Hall of Fame and you use that perk, you can get it to legend. So trust, that's in the game too. Don't get your mind. See all this stuff in my mind, I just can't get it all out in one video, but all this stuff just floating around. It'll pop, boom. But that's a gem right there, you see. So you can make a builder, okay, I'm gonna get a close here Hall of Fame, and then I'll use that badge and get it legend, boom, easy, you know. So you could be a little freaky with it too.